I just want to say goodbye. You guys are all leaving tonight. Morning. It's the end of an era. It's the 31st of January today, so 11 o'clock tonight. You guys have left already, the EU. So just want to wish you all the best. We'll still be in touch, I'll still talk with you, don't worry. Nothing's going to change at the moment, so really don't worry. This is what we know at the moment, so don't think that this is the be all and end all and that's it, and it's not. But what we do know at the moment is that you can't stay for any more than 90 days within a 180-day period. So that's a standard procedure for all third countries. It's like America, Australia, New Zealand, anyone like that. But when you do come, if you do come for a long period of time, you need to register with the police, and that'll allow you to have NHS cover. So we're only talking about this year at the moment because things are really not going to change until the end of this year, 2020. So come December 2020, if they've got everything sorted out, if this whole year, or 11 months, let's say, gives them enough time to organise things, you'll be well aware of what happens anyway, so I'll keep in touch with you. If you're coming for the long period, up to 90 days, you'll need to register with the police, and then you can have NHS here, but you must deregister when you leave, because that way then you can then get back on the NHS or back in Britain. What else do we know? There'll be no worries about visas, anything like that, just don't worry about that. If you own a property here, nothing's changing at all at the moment anyway, but it will mean that if you own a property here and use it for holidays, you can't stay for any more than 90 days in 180. At the moment there isn't anything of any great importance for any of you. You can still come on holiday, you can still stay in your place here. Seriously, it's just like business as usual for the moment. Have no concerns. All the best, and we'll speak to you in February.